Welcome to our channel, Fix Netflix. In today's video, we'll explore the top 10 reasons why your internet keeps disconnecting and, more importantly, how you can fix it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, Fix Netflix, for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Let's get started. Segment 1. Your modem or gateway needs a restart. The first thing to try when experiencing internet issues is a modem and router restart. It's super quick, super easy, and super effective. This often solves the problem. The restart process is the same for a modem, router, or gateway. Modem/router combo unit. Firstly, unplug the equipment's power cable from the back and wait 60 seconds. Then, plug the power cable back in. Then, wait while the equipment reboots. Segment 2. Restart your device. This works more for PCs than anything else. Restarting your device resets some of the networking, which may help flush out stubborn glitches. Segment 3. You have a spotty Wi-Fi signal. If you're too far from your router, your internet may cut in and out as Wi-Fi signals struggle to reach your device. Obstructions between your device and router may also cause intermittent disconnections. Pay attention to your device's Wi-Fi signal meter to see where your Wi-Fi signal gets weak and disconnects. Take note of areas where you disconnect while moving around, and pay attention to what stands between you and your router in those areas. Certain materials, like stone, metal, tile, and water, are particularly hard on Wi-Fi signals. Try to avoid placing your router or devices in areas that force the Wi-Fi signal to pass through these materials. Some examples of things to avoid are placing your router on desk or behind metal furniture, right next to a tiled bathroom, or near a fish tank. Some electronic devices, such as microwaves, garage door openers, and baby monitors, can also interfere with your Wi-Fi signal, causing slowdowns and disconnects. Segment 4. Your internet plan is too slow. If you're trying to access more bandwidth than your internet plan allows, you'll experience slowdowns that may seem like your internet is disconnecting. If your internet issues tend to happen when multiple people in your household are using the web, it's even more likely you've reached the speed limit of your internet plan. To find out if you need to upgrade your plan, first, find your internet plan's advertised speed. Then, use our speed test below to see if your connection is as fast as it should be. If you get a speed reading that's close to your plan's advertised speed, then it's probably time to upgrade your internet plan. Use our "How much internet speed do I need?" tool, just below the speed test, to discover your household's ideal internet speed. Segment 5. Check if your device is auto-switching between two Wi-Fi networks. Your device may jump between known Wi-Fi networks, which you experience as a temporary loss of signal. When Wi-Fi signals are weak, your device may search for a stronger signal automatically. Try disabling any Wi-Fi auto-joining or auto-switching functions on your affected devices and connect to your preferred Wi-Fi network manually. Segment 6. You're having internet outages. Internet outages come in all shapes and sizes. Sometimes your connection will be out for hours. Other times it may flicker in and out like a dying light bulb. Your randomly disconnecting internet could indeed be caused by outages from your ISP. You can check for outages via your ISP's app or web account, or by simply calling your ISP to ask. You can also ask for information on past outages to see if it really is the cause of your persistent disconnections. Most internet providers keep excellent records of their customers' internet connections. A technical support representative should be able to see exactly how many outages your address has suffered and exactly when those outages happened. Hopefully, they can give you an estimate of when the service will be back to normal. Segment 7. There's an issue with your networking cables. The network cabling in your home can cause your internet connection to disconnect if it's damaged, loose, or configured poorly. Here's what to look for. Check for damaged cables. Check all your networking cables for signs of damage. Look for tears, chew marks, and kinks. Make sure coaxial cables are screwed on snug to the modem and wall outlet. Don't forget to check the Ethernet cable connecting your modem to your router or computer, too. Check for loose cables. Coaxial cables should be screwed on tight. and Ethernet cables should make an audible click when fully inserted. Loose cabling is a common culprit of intermittent internet issues because a loose cable may still pass signal, albeit poorly, but the signal may go out completely under any additional stress, like every time the cable moves slightly. Oftentimes, the springy clip that holds the Ethernet cable firmly in the port breaks or loosens. Ethernet cables should make an audible click when inserted into a port and shouldn't come out without compressing the clip. Check for unused, but active, coaxial lines. When you have an active coaxial line in your home that isn't connected to any equipment, the open line acts as an antenna that introduces radio interference into your home network. If you get a professional install, always ask your technician to close off any open coaxial outlets. Determining if you have an unused but active coaxial line is difficult without professional equipment. Fixing cabling problems on your own can be difficult because of the specialized tools and skills required. If you suspect a cabling problem, it may be best to request a technician visit from your ISP. Segment 8. Update your network adapter drivers. Your computer's network adapter, sometimes called a network card, drivers update automatically unless you disabled auto updates in your operating system. Still, it's worth checking just to make sure. Follow these steps to update network adapter drivers in Windows 10. Step 1. In the Windows search bar, type Device Manager and press Enter. Step 2. Click Network Adapters in the list of the devices. Step 3. In the expanded drop-down menu, right-click your network adapter and select Update Driver Software. Step 4. In the resulting dialog box, select Search automatically for updated driver software. Step 5. Follow the remaining on-screen instructions to complete the update. Step 6. Restart your PC. Segment 9. See if you're on a crowded Wi-Fi channel. Your router broadcasts Wi-Fi on specific radio frequency channels. They can become overcrowded when too many networks use the same channels near each other. This is especially common in apartment buildings and other situations where multiple routers broadcast within range of one another. If you have an Android phone or tablet, you can use a Wi-Fi analyzer app, like NetSpot, to see all the available channels in your home and the usage on each. You could also log into your router settings and switch the Wi-Fi channel to see if it fixes your dropping internet. Segment 10. Reset your computer's network settings. Sometimes, giving your computer a clean networking slate can resolve strange disconnection issues and other hiccups that are difficult to diagnose outright. This is a serious move, though it makes your computer forget all your network settings, so you have to reinstall all your networking software, like antiviruses and VPNs, and reconnect to your home network. So make sure you have all your login credentials before you continue. To reset your network settings on Windows 10, Step 1. Click the Start button. Step 2. Click Settings. Step 3. Click Network and Internet. Step 4. From the Status tab, select Network Reset near the bottom of the menu. Step 5. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the reset. Step 6. Restart your PC. There you have it, our top 10 reasons why your internet keeps disconnecting and how to fix them. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Fix Netflix YouTube channel for more tech tips and solutions. Thanks for watching, and may you enjoy uninterrupted internet